At GRP Solutions, we're committed to making our customer operations and the wider composites industry more sustainable. That's why we have Easyclean in our portfolio, a safer alternative to acetone that lasts 3 to 4 times longer. Let's go take a look. Hi Vince.
Hello Tommy.
So this is one of our Easyclean units. What is it?
Well, this is used for cleaning resin and gel coat out of brushes and rollers.
Brilliant. How do you use it?
Well Tommy, what we do is we pick up the bucket and the rollers, hanging them on the side there, look, and we can get out any resin from the roller. The least resin that we put into the unit, the longer it's going to last and the more beneficial it'll be to the customer.
So the more resin you can get out of the roller or the brush, the less resin you end up in your liquid, which means it lasts longer.
Exactly.
Perfect.
Exactly. Cleaning into this stainless steel grid here, which is helping to push the liquid into the roller itself. And then we're going to place it into the air dryer.
So that was about 30 seconds, and now the roller's dry.
Yeah, the roller, as you can see, is clean and dry, and you can touch.
Yeah, there's a little bit there, but for all intents and purposes, it's as dry as you want it.
And we can do the same with brushes. So we don't put the brushes in the dryer, but we can just rinse them out.
Just on that metal grill.
Just on the metal grid, force the brush into the grid, and then just get out any liquid you want. Bit of paper towel, so the brushes are dry, ready to use. Also the benefits about having these tools clean like this is that you don't need to soak them into buckets of acetone overnight. You can just take them straight back, put them on your bench, and they'll be ready for you in the morning.
And the solvent that we use is non-hazardous, non-flammable.
No vapours, and there's no skin issues.
And it's also sustainable. Is it recyclable?
Yes, we can recycle this. It's 100% recyclable.
So how does the service work?
We provide a good customer service. We don't have any contracts whatsoever. You buy exactly what you need.
What's the smallest amount you can buy?
You can buy in 25 litres, but obviously you've got a 75 litre tank and you want to put your waste into drums or IBCs so that we can take them away as part of the package.
What's our minimum collection amount?
4 drums on a pallet, just for transport reasons, because we're going to get charged for a pallet anyway, or 1 IBC.
Say we have a 75 litre tank here. How often do customers empty it?
We think there's 5 litres per man per week.
That's good. So 25 litres will last a workshop with 5 staff for 1 week is a rough calculation customers could use.
Exactly.
So there's no contracts.
No contract whatsoever.
If you empty the unit, GRP Solutions will come and take those away free of charge.
Really, it's a no-brainer.
Well, thanks Vince, that's been really insightful. Thank you for telling us about the Easyclean.
No problem, Tommy.
If you'd like to know more about making your operations safer and more sustainable, please get in touch with GRP Solutions.